Vlogmas Day 23. We're almost there. So I was supposed to go to church today. That didn't happen. Where I was supposed to go to my granny church today, and it didn't happen. We're from like 2 hours away, so it's just really no excuse. But it's just been a restless night. My daughter's been with this coughing fit, so my husband went and took her to the urgent care this morning. But it was like I thought. I mean, it's nothing really you could do with coughing. She's not running any fever or anything like that. Just hopefully this time out from school, the rest of the, around amongst the rest of the kids will get her better. Because sometimes that's what happens. Like, y'all, I wipe this house down 1,000,000 times to get rid of stuff like this. But when you're constantly going in contact with the outside world, it just happens. So yeah, I'm up. I got a couple of things on the agenda today. Of course, I got to work out today, Sunday. I started my workout. I think I'm going to go ahead and run to Walmart and pick up like a pack of chicken thighs or something. And bake them. I'm trying to get back on my better eating that I was doing. I'm straightening up now. For the straighten up, making up the beds and all that. So yeah, so straighten up, go to Walmart, come back, work out. When I get through working out, of course, take my shower and all that. And then, alright guys, so we just got done at Walmart, of course. Kids are out, so making sure they got plenty of whatever this week. Y'all know we go through so much milk. I'm trying to get her to not drink so much milk though while she's doing all this coughing. Try to give her more water. Even juice would be better than that milk. Alright guys, so this is what's gonna be for dinner today. Okay baby, wait a minute, you don't have no shirt on. Okay, so these are some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, and then some broccoli. I'm about to put this, some foil paper on top of this, right here. And then let it cook for an hour, take the foil paper off, and then let it cook for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes on 425, yeah. So I got the oven preheated. I do kind of spruce up the kitchen as I go, that way I don't have a mess. And for the kids, I'm gonna do them some rice with their chicken, and of course broccoli as well. workout, guys. Now we can go take a shower. I'm gonna do a couple sit-ups though. I just need to get back on it so I can lean out a little bit. I'm getting a little bulky though. But that's due to the weightlifting. Chest looking nice. I don't know if I ever told y'all, but back in 2013, I had a breast reduction. I was a size I. Now I'm down to maybe like a full, I would say a full C. Almost D cup. And, well, C. Full C. But yeah, that's how I'm looking. Gonna get these sit-ups in.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money.
Y'all, quick thing real quick. This is my favorite shirt. I wear it every day. My husband has 2 of them, so I took both of them. And we wash like crazy every day. So when you see me in this shirt, just know I do bath. We do wash clothes every day, at least 1 load. And I have 2 of them. And it's my favorite shirt. All right, guys. Now it's time to go check on the chicken. We're all fresh and clean. House shoes on. Little biker shorts. I don't have on a wig, so I won't be showing y'all too far up. Get my dirty clothes. Take them to the hamper. I haven't said the word hamper in a long time. I always just say dirty clothes basket. But it's time for us to go check on the chicken. Go ahead and throw the broccoli in the oven. And go ahead and get started on the rice. Quick question. Does everybody wash their rice before you actually cook it? Let me know below. I don't remember. Maybe I can ask my mom if she washed her rice or not. But I think this is like a new age thing. Washing your rice. Alright, y'all. We back in business. I got my little head thing on. Let's go finish cooking dinner so they can eat for the day. What's wrong? Okay, let's go ahead and put the broccoli in the oven. Check on the chicken. This chicken smells so good. So good. But I'm feeling absolutely amazing. I don't feel all bloated. We're gonna go ahead and cook our rice. I cook my rice in a little bitty pot because I don't like to waste it. And I also don't like to be tempted to eat it. Because I am a rice and gravy girl. So I normally just rinse the pot out because it's been in the cabinet. Probably not that long because we use the same old pots every day, all day. Then I like to fill up the pot with the rice. And then take the rice and just wash it. I normally just use a small spoon because, like I said, I don't cook a whole lot of rice. And just kind of stir the rice around in the water and then just drain the water out and just keep doing it until you see the water is not cloudy anymore. And I don't have any rhyme or reason to how I cook it. Basically what I do is I put the fire on high when I boil my rice. And then as soon as I see it boiling, I go ahead and put the lid on it. And then put it on very low until it's done. And that's how I cook my rice. Alright guys, it's time for dinner. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of cheese on my son's broccoli. He loves cheese. But he's the only one that got a roll. And I love those dinner rolls. But my husband and I just eat meat and veggies. And the kids are eating rice with food. What, babe?
Mom,
We're showing them our dinner.
but I want to join you. I want to share you dinner.
Y'all, I'm about to do something I ain't did in a long time. And let's take a nap. I'm so doggone tired. Mentally and physically. Tired. Whoa. It's so cold. And it's so cold in here. when it's cold in my family, we say it's cold in here, Mac. It's cold in here, Mac. Oh. Alright, guys. Nighty-nighty. Hey, guys. So I just woke back up. You ever need to be doing stuff, but you're not? Like I need to be wrapping these gifts, and I'm not. Okay, guys, I'm not proud of myself for what I'm about to tell you. But my sister and her family came over. They ordered pizza. I didn't just eat one piece. I ate two. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself. Now I'm about to straighten up baby girl's room. All right, guys, our time has come to an end, but don't worry, we have 2 days left, okay? So happy Vlogmas Day 23. We gotta keep this up, guys. I'll just probably need a break for the rest of the year, and then maybe we'll come back something with the new year. Well, big kisses. Mwah. Happy holidays, many blessings, and lots of prosperity. In the name of Jesus, honey. Bye-bye.